Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to factorize a quadratic equation. This is an example of a quadratic equation, and we'll factorize this in two steps. Step 1, multiply the first and the last terms, so you get 12x squared. And now take the middle term and break it into two parts. So think of two numbers that add up to 7 and multiply to 12. So the two numbers are 4x plus 3x. So 4 plus 3 will give you 7, and 4 times 3 will give you 12, and x times x will give you x squared. So this is the end of step 1, and in step 2, keep the first term as it is, keep the last term as it is, and in place of the middle one, write the two new things that you found. So in place of 7x, you will write 4x plus 3x. Okay, now group the first two and group the last two. In the first two, take whatever is common outside. So in x squared and 4x, the common term is x. So what goes inside the bracket is x plus 4. And similarly, in the second group, take out whatever is common. What's common is 3. So what goes in the bracket is x plus 4 equals 0. So if you multiply this here, you will get this thing again. So you can check it that way. And then what's common in the whole thing? What's common in the whole thing is x plus 4. So write it outside the bracket, and whatever is left, put it inside the bracket, which is x plus 3 equals 0. So this problem ended up becoming x plus 4 and x plus 3 with all the steps. And then if the question is to find the value of x, you made the two brackets equal to 0. So the two answers for x you get is x equals -4 and x equals -3. So any such problem where you have to factorize, you can do it in two steps. Now just make a note, every problem cannot be factorized. So if you cannot factorize it, you have to use the quadratic formula. But if you can factorize it, you should be able to do it in two steps. Okay, I hope that helped. Any questions you can put below.